Hey everyone, Mark Malone from CRP Automotive again. Today I want to talk to you about a very unique product from Pentosin. For decades, professional repair technicians have relied on Pentosin's CHF 11S hydraulic power steering fluid. You probably know it from its distinctive green metal can. Don't worry, the CHFs aren't going anywhere. But we have heard from European specialists that they are looking for an alternative for vehicles 15 to 20 years of age or older. With older vehicles, owners are often sensitive to price. So we now offer PENTOFLUID EHF Hydraulic Fluid. This is a perfect option for someone with an older car that has hydraulic power steering. Remember, Pentosin is the only brand with OE approval for its hydraulic fluid. Wouldn't you want your price fighter hydraulic fluid to be made by the same specialists who manufacture the original OE fluid? Don't cut corners by using an off-brand. Use our new PENTOFLUID EHF instead. You can top off your CHF with EHF, but remember that topping off an OE formulation will slightly lessen the original's performance. If you're going to switch fluids, we recommend that you perform a full flush and then refill. And one more thing, this bottle, like the CHFs, comes with a required child safety cap that makes it compliant for the US market. Here's the part number. If you have a question about EHF hydraulic fluid or any other Pentosin product, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new products like this one. Thanks for watching.